How to install system apps on Android without root and PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can install our system apps without any root or PC. So let's begin with the video. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to download two applications onto your device. One of them is Prevent. Just go to your Play Store and search for Prevent, type in, and here tap on Install. And the next thing I want you to download is Package Viewer. Just type Package Viewer and you can download this package name Viewer app and wait for the installation to be completed. After your Prevent app is downloaded, just open it and here tap on Accept. After that, tap on Launch Prevent and it will take a while for it to load. After that, you need to go to this developer option and here make sure to turn this USB debugging option and tap on OK. After that, also make sure to turn this wireless debugging option and make sure you connect to a Wi-Fi network. Even if there is no internet connection in that Wi-Fi, just turn it on and connect to it. After you have enabled wireless debugging, just tap on it. In here, you will be able to see this pair device with pairing code. Just tap on it and enter the code when you get back to that app. Once paired, Prevent will launch automatically. After that, open package name application that we downloaded before and go to System App. After that, getting here, just copy one of the apps that you want to delete. Just tap on this and just tap on copy. After that, I want you to go to Notes app. After that, just copy this text on your screen and go back to Prevent and tap on exec command. After that, just copy and paste it and the system app will be installed from your device without any root or PC. So therefore, by following this method, you can install system app from your device without any root or PC. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.